Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola, and if you're new here, you are welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Join the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can get more from my channel whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. It's always good to have you guys. So for today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys what I have been up to in the past 2 weeks. So I recently jumped on the ting abs challenge. It's a 2 weeks abs workout that you can do from the comfort of your home, and trust me, it is so worth it. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did and what my results look like. So this is exactly what I looked like before the challenge, and to be fair, I don't have a big belly, but because I'm skinny, I discovered that I was gaining a lot of belly fat and I didn't want that. Also, I just wanted to be. This is what day one looked like. Yes, it is ridiculously dramatic. I was a mess. Like the planks were so difficult for me. The 10 minutes was just a waste. The first 10 minutes I did was a waste, but I decided not to push it further because I just couldn't. I didn't realize how unfit I was before I started this challenge, and this was just like an eye opener for me. So as you guys can see, day one I was really struggling with this, and to be honest, the exercises look quite easy when Chloe is doing it, but when you do it, when you start it, especially for someone like me that doesn't go to the gym, guys, I don't go to the gym, I don't really do any intense exercise. This one is actually very intense, and my advice is when you start it, don't push yourself too hard. Like, start from your pace, whatever you can do a day. If it's 10 minutes, just do that 10 minutes that day. My objective of jumping into this challenge wasn't just to get some abs, but it was actually to stay fit. So I was so surprised to see that how unfit I was. Day one, I just did 10 minutes. I couldn't go further than 10 minutes. Day two, I was more motivated to do the exercise. I wanted to get this done. I put in so much effort. I did it for at least 30 minutes. I did it on 3 rounds, that's 10 minutes each. And I was already feeling some body pain because this is me just doing stretches and dance exercises every day and thinking that I'm completely, fit. So I was really surprised at, what this exercise was doing to my body and the message it was passing across to me. At this point, I was a little bit discouraged to continue with the exercise because I was feeling some body pain. So my diet has been relatively healthy. During this period, I continued to eat home cooked food, less processed food. My bowel movements were regular. I drank a lot of water. But I noticed that I couldn't consume as much carbs. The quantity of carbs that I would consume normally, the size of it wasn't the same with what I was doing during this exercise. Because one, the exercise made my belly a little bit tight. So I was always be cautious of what I was consuming, and 2, the pain of getting the abs. I wasn't ready to, lose it to just one diet. So you have to be intentional with your diet, trying to eat healthy, more fruits, vegetables. Honestly, I'm very impressed with the results. This was a 14-day challenge, and I religiously did it for just 11 days out of 14 days. I did it for mostly 20 to 30 minutes every day. My advice to you is, if you're jumping on this challenge, do it according to your pace. Don't rush it up. You might not get exactly what you want in 2 weeks, but to be realistic, 2 weeks is not that long. So if you want to get the results that you desire, keep at it, keep at your pace, do it. Even if it's more than 2 weeks, keep at it. Be very intentional with your diet. I did not do intermittent fasting. Some people would do that, but I didn't do that because, like I said, the objective for jumping on this challenge was mostly to just get myself fit and not necessarily get the absolute abs. So guys, I'm gonna show you what my result is. Are you excited? So this is what my result looks like on day 14. I am so happy, so proud of myself. I didn't know I was going to be able to do this so efficiently. And I really want to say thank you to Chloe for putting out this workout challenge. If you want to get more from our workouts, you can definitely check our channel. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. You can check out our channel. She has tons of exercises for you to do while you're quarantined at home. Let me know if you guys want to jump on this challenge. Don't forget to tag me. Let me know in the comment box below whatever you think about this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, guys. It is completely free, and turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified every time I release a new video. I have more content on my channel and you can check it out. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.